My bad. My fault, sir. You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
My bad about that. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually just tested positive for COVID a couple days ago. So.
Oh, did you?
Oh! Oh my God! Sneezed all over me.
I didn't. What do you mean?
Don't tell me what I mean. Get away from me.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Oh my God! What a pig.
So they called the cops and everything. The cops pulled up. What is up, YouTube? And we back again with another banger, man. And as you can see today, we are at Walmart. Yes, we are at Walmart today, and we're gonna be doing a little sneezing prank on the customers of Walmart today, man. No harm, no foul, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, pretty much I got my boy X and the mod over here, my boy Mike in the car, and Georgia right here, and get the shit around Walmart, and we be trolling customers. Wait.
You so
family friendly. Everything on this video will be family friendly, man. But today we got this spray bottle right here, and you know I'm finna walk around.
Bro, get this shit.
See, that's the example right there, man. So pretty much we finna go in this Walmart and everything, and y'all gonna see how crazy we go. Hey, what y'all doing, man? Smash that like button, subscribe, man. Stop playing. Alright, you guys, so this is how this thing worked, man. So my boy X hooked me up with this. Why would you do that? Why'd you try to slap? Okay, like I was saying, man, my boy X hooked me up with this mic and everything, so I do not have to use the voice memo on my phone. Pretty much we're gonna be walking around. I'm gonna have this mic hooked up right here. It's all connected to my chest and everything, man. So I'm gonna have all that hooked up. It picks up excellent sound and everything. And yeah, we finna just troll a bunch of customers. So let's hop right into this thing, man. Roll the montage. Stop playing. YouTube channel.
I don't want to YouTube channel.
Get on my YouTube channel.
Hey guys, so we stole Damaury's camera. Come over here. We stole Damaury's camera and
He's gonna be so mad.
he's gonna be so mad.
We're playing the pranks on
We're
the
doing a
prankster.
prank on a prankster. He's pranking somebody else and we're pranking him. Ooh.
Oh wait, family channel. They're right there.
Family channel, let's go find them.
We didn't even know.
Where did they go? Oh my gosh, they're way down there.
Oh, hell no!
My bad. My fault, sir. Yo, what's good, my guy? Yes, sir. I just went to the doctor's yesterday. Bro, of course, I told you I was been gonna have COVID, dude. COVID's not really a big thing to me, though. For sure. Yeah, I'm still just in Walmart right now. I mean, I don't think the disease is contagious or anything. I don't know. But shoot. Let's see. I mean, I got on a face mask, so I don't think if anybody's like around me, they're probably not gonna get COVID, but who knows? I mean, COVID not really a big thing for real because like, excuse me, sir, you know any doctors around here?
Doctor?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, 1 second.
My bad. Yeah, give me 1 second.
I just go to my guy at daycare. Just get my insurance.
You know anybody that treats like COVID or anything?
Treats it?
Yeah.
Not specifically. Not like. I mean, I think they all should, if they're just general practice, indeed they should be able to.
So if I was like to have COVID right now, would they be able to like fix that or anything?
I mean, there's not really any direct, like, thing they're just gonna, it's just like anything else, you know.
So there is no like real cure if I have it right now?
Not as far as I know.
He's saying that there's no cure. Well, so what should I do? Just go to a doctor and try to get like best type of medicine?
Give you some possible therapeutic. I mean, it's just like any of the flu, you know, vitamin C, zinc, over the rest, you know, feeling bad. I mean,
Thank you. Right. Yes, sir.
Nice.
My bad. Sorry about that. Just allergies, sinuses.
It's a joke, right?
What?
That's a joke, right?
What happened? My bad. You good?
You got it all over me, dude.
Huh?
You got it all over me.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
My bad about that. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually just tested positive for COVID a couple days ago, so
Oh, did you?
yeah, you might want to get that checked a little bit.
Okay.
For sure. Sorry about that, sir.
No problem.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sir. Probably gonna, yeah, gonna have to get that checked, sir. Sorry about that. My bad again. Oh! Just got tested. For sure, man. I mean, to be honest with you, the real COVID process is just like elimination of stuff. So even that they test me positive, it doesn't matter because I have a face mask on, so anybody who be around me pretty much, it doesn't matter. Face masks pretty much control everything. I'm not gonna lie.
NANI?
Why should I get tested again if I already have COVID? It's no point. Literally. No point at all. It's like me sitting here wasting my time trying to get tested when I already have COVID. It's literally no point in the whole thing. No simple point, no nothing. Nothing at all. I'm not gonna sit, bro. I'm not sitting here and arguing with you about me having COVID.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
What did you do that for?
I didn't mean to. What do
Oh
you
my God, that's disgusting!
Huh? What
Oh my God!
What's wrong?
That's disgusting what you just did!
What'd I do?
You just sneezed all over me!
It was an accident.
I don't care!
I'm sorry. Like,
Oh my God!
I just got corona 2 days ago. You probably gotta get that tested for real.
That's disgusting!
I'm sorry.
You're sorry! Get out of Oh my God.
Are you okay? Are you good?
I'm gonna have to Get away from me!
Are you fine?
Get away from me before I call the police! Get away from me!
What's going on? Yo, what do you mean? What's going on?
How disgusting!
Wait, what happened?
What do you mean what happened? You just sneezed all over me!
I didn't. What do you mean?
Don't fucking tell me what I mean!
What did I do?
Your back is all wet from you! Get away from me!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Oh my God, what a thing!
Sneezes don't happen. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty sure that I just pranked the whole Walmart. That created probably the biggest scene of the day in the Walmart. She's still probably looking around for me right now. I don't know what's going on, but it's just been a whole bunch of workers that have been looking at me, man. So let me go ahead and throw back on this face mask and let's continue this vlog, man. Bella, what you doing, mama? What you doing? What you doing? Why are you just crying? What you doing, girl? What you shaking your head back and forth for? Huh. You want this camera?
Lean back. Ugh.
Breath. Okay. See you then. But yeah, man, we still in this Walmart. Ahmad is still just finished off some stuff on his video and everything. Him and X just went somewhere. And yeah, I pretty much finished the sneezing prank in front of everyone. Don't worry, guys. I told everyone at the end of it that it was a prank. You already know how I'm coming, man. No cap. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish off the rest of this vlog outside Walmart. Alright, you guys, so we're at a Walmart right now. We actually been left a long time ago. I'm out with the boys and everything, man. Got my cousin driving, X and Ahmad in the back. Yes, so pretty much the moral of the story, let me tell you guys what happened. So I did the sneezing prank on the girl, and you guys obviously how she reacted. It made a ultra big scene in Walmart. We literally had people following us around, probably like until we got kicked out pretty much. So it was a bunch of more and more workers that was piling up, just trying to get us out the Walmart. So finally, after some time, I let Ahmad get his little filming and everything. After some time, man, they decided to kick us out. So they called the cops and everything. The cops pulled up, and we had to get out of Walmart and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. We got kicked out. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys at the crib for real, man. And yeah. All right, you guys. So that'll be the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this sneeze prank on the fellow. Hold up. Alright guys, so like I was saying, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the sneeze prank on the people and everything, man. It was pretty lit, it was pretty dangerous actually too, by the way. I suggest do not do that. But yes, it was a lit video, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it. And let me know down below in the comments right now if you watched all the ads in this video, man. Like I said, we only come with bangers this year. So comment down below videos you guys want to see. No cap. I'll see you guys in the next banger.